Hi, I'm WLKY meteorologist Suzanne Horgan. So we're going to be looking at gusty winds throughout our Sunday. We'll also be on the lookout for some scattered showers across the region. The other big story, of course, the temperature that is going to be plunging. Yesterday we made it to 84 degrees. We'll likely be in the 50s for your Sunday afternoon. And then we'll look for morning lows on Monday down into the 40s. So definitely some much cooler air coming our way. Heads up, we have that wind advisory that will continue until 9 o'clock this morning. So we'll be watching for that. Some very strong winds can't be ruled out. So we'll be looking at, again, that continuing until 9 o'clock this morning. And then we're going to be looking at, again, some scattered rain showers as we make our way throughout the day. You can see those showers continuing, especially during the first part of the day into our early evening hours. Once we head into tonight, our skies should actually clear out. And because of that, we'll likely drop down and get fairly cool with those temperatures dropping down into the 40s for tomorrow. So Monday looking really very nice. Temperatures in the upper 60s, some nice sunshine is expected. All in all, looks to be a nice start to the work week. But for today, we'll watch for those gusty winds and those scattered showers. Temperatures will likely dip down into the 50s. Then overnight down to 45 degrees. For tomorrow, we'll look forward to highs right around 68 degrees. We're quite breezy on Tuesday with temperatures in the 60s, maybe a stray shower, but I think most of us will stay dry. On Wednesday, cool with a high of 60 degrees, mid 60s on Thursday, increasing cloud cover on Friday with the risk of some rain by Saturday.